So if you get water into your Huawei Watch Fit 4 or Watch Fit 4 Pro, maybe you got rained on or you went for swimming and you have water in your watch, here's how to drain that water. So first, you can swipe down to the quick panel and then swipe again to see this icon here called drain, this one right here. So if you tap on it, it's going to make a distinctive sound through the speakers, trying to flush as much water from the speakers as possible. Also, from the instructions there, you want to make sure you shake your watch with the speakers facing down like this. So just shake it as much as possible to get rid of the water. And then you can repeat this a couple of times until you get most of the water out. So that's basically how to drain water from your Huawei Watch Fit 4 or Watch Fit 4 Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.